Hello, you are welcome to Fred Excel lessons for today. Today we are looking at the Word document. We want to really start a new numbering page from a new page. So we have our document here, where our document is numbered from 1 to 5. But in this situation, we want to start a new numbering page from the 4th page, in that the 4th page will now be 1 and the 5th page will now be 2. How do we do that? Simply you come to the 3rd page at the end and go to layout. Under the layout, go to page break and we have session break. Choose a session break in here and that will be a new section for the document. So when you scroll down, you see that there's no numbering in there. So then you can go in there, you can go to insert, go to header and footer, go to page numbering and go to the bottom numbering here and now select the page number and voila, we have it starting from 0 to 1. But quickly we can go to the page numbering here, go to edit and now say we should start from 1. So then our new page will start from 1 to 2. So you can see that you have 2 section numbering pages on this document. So you have 1, 2 and 3, and in the next section we are starting from a new page numbering 1 and 2. This is how smart you can really use the section break to really number pages starting from 1 on a new page. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.